Every day I have thoughts and ideas. Figure a lot of these things don't belong in a blog post, they don't belong in a podcast or a video or a screencast. They're just notes and thoughts, but they might be helpful. So here's my attempt at getting some of those down and out. Let's begin with number one. Let's talk about GPT and why it might not be the best thing for you as a practicing developer. I've been a huge fan of GPT-4 since it came out and since I had the privilege of trying it before it was released. And I've also built a number of micro SaaS projects with it, including varaheadline.net. It uses GPT-4 to generate the headlines. One of the trends currently irking me, and the kind of stuff I think about when I'm out walking the dog, is how developers traditionally go and seek opinion either from their peers, from colleagues, and that depends if the developer's trying to prove that they're better than they are, or if they're learning and are afraid of looking like a fool. I mean, we've all been there. So developers go off to Reddit, they go off to Stack Overflow, they seek opinions, they ask questions. Maybe they've not quite, got their head around a bug, so they'll lay out the dirty laundry, maybe even under a pseudonym to gain opinion. Now, those posts are gold dust, because what happens is you get somebody else who runs into the same problem, can learn very quickly from them. Now, along came GPT, and it ate the internet. And that's how it learns. Give it lots and lots and lots of data. That's fine. Well, it's not fine. There's lots of copyright problems with that, but you get where I'm going. We get to a point, though, where a developer needs an answer to something. They want to find out the latest and greatest way. Latest and greatest, not going to happen unless it's got latest information. The LLM needs the latest information to give you the latest answer. Let me ask it a question. Why are we getting a hydration problem? Now, that could be because you're doing something on the client side that doesn't match with what the server-side rendering is doing, which basically means you either have a design problem or it could be a bug in something that you're using, or even a bug in Next.js. The thing is, ChatGPT won't give you the mental context to think about the problem in the scope to help you solve it and be a better developer, write better code, all the normal stuff. Posts on Reddit, on Medium, and Stack Overflow, they also get upvotes and downvotes, which means you've got an opinion in a community backed. People have actually rated this stuff, and that kind of bothers me that we're bypassing some of this community learning. I mean, what's the currency here? The currency is that you give some of your thinking away, that you might look like an idiot, you've asked something stupid, maybe. But all of this really, really bothers me. It's bad enough that a lot of developers don't know their history, and it's somehow even worse now that we're avoiding going to the community and involving ourselves in the pursuit of knowledge.